Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. Today we'll be doing a tips and tricks segment on how to make homemade natural air fresheners. We'll be making cedar sachets, which can be used throughout your house or in your coat closets or wherever else you like to have the smell of cedar. So first, we purchased some small animal cedar bedding, and we'll be using that to fill. We have these little linen bags we purchased from a thrift store a while back. I thought these would work well as a sachet bag. If you have any sort of organza bag or a little homemade cloth bag that you made, that would probably work well as well. Let's see if I can get some out of here without making a huge mess. And probably put 3 or 4 scoopfuls in here. There you have it, homemade natural air fresheners, cedar sachets. We'll be putting these in our coat closet so we have a nice fresh cedar smell in there. And this was rather economical. That whole bag of cedar chip bedding was under $5, so we can use that for a lot of other applications. I plan on making some homemade campfire starters with that, so I'll make a video on that later when we do that project. I'd like to thank you for spending time with me today. I really appreciate it. If you're new around here, please consider subscribing. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. See you next time. Take care.